Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be testing Koala Sublimation paper. I typically use ASAB 125 grams, and they are owned by the same company, but we're going to test the Koala on a 20-ounce skinny tumbler using the HTVront auto press. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sandy. Thank you for joining us. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, share. If you would like more help with sublimation, please join my Facebook group, Sublimation for Beginners, Tutorials, Tips, and Help. Let's get to it. So here we have the Koala sublimation paper. It is at 125 grams. On the back, there are some instructions here about storing your prints and how to handle the paper. There's some sublimation times, but I recommend going by the manufacturers of your blanks. It does come in two separate packages here. And the nice thing about Koala is the back side is colored in yellow. The front side that we print is on white. The colors printed very vibrantly for sublimation ink. So we'll trim this up. And the paper trims very nicely. There's no jagged edges or splits. It wraps very easily, and now we're going to press this. I am using the HTVront press at 365 for 45 seconds. We'll rotate it at 180 degrees and another 45 seconds. And we'll unwrap this so you can see the print. And the colors sub beautifully on this 20-ounce tumbler from Maggie Bug Supply.